Hello everyone. Today I will introduce another metal baler to you. It is the Teyun horizontal metal baler. Our electric box components are all from brands such as Schneider, Amron, Siemens, Mitsubishi, etc.
我把里面东西拿出来。
师傅，好了，可以了。
The hydraulic system is activated, and the hydraulic cylinder pushes the compression push plate to move toward the end of the compression chamber, exerting continuous pressure on the waste. The waste is squeezed by the push plate, the volume is greatly reduced, and the density is significantly increased, which is convenient for storage and transportation. When the compression push plate reaches the set position, the system enters the pressure holding state and maintains the pressure for several seconds to tens of seconds to ensure stable bale forming. After the compression is completed, the hydraulic cylinder drives, the push plate to retrieve, and the discharge door at the tail of the compression chamber opens.